In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox not loading on your mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it can be really annoying whenever you're trying to play Roblox. It could be on your iPhone, Android, anything like that, but it might just not be loading. So there's a few different things you want to do. Firstly, make sure you have your Wi-Fi connected and make sure you're not on airplane mode. It could just be a crash or something. So what you want to do is go to your app store. If you're on Android, go to the Google Play Store, go to the top right, and then you just want to scroll down until you find the different apps that need updates and go ahead and update Roblox if it needs one. And the final thing you can go ahead and do is go to your settings application, scroll down until you find general. And then from here, go to iPhone storage. And what you want to do is just find Roblox. So I'm going to type it in and then just offload the app, which is going to clear the cache. And if you're on Android, just go over to your settings, go to the app section, find Roblox, and then clear the cache, which is going to be the bottom right button. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Check out other videos that we've been posting on the channel as well.